As a Russian offensive had failed, a Ukrainian drone was chasing after an armored vehicle fleeing that was driving beside lost equipment of other failed offensives, driving at maximum speed to avoid getting targeted by Ukraine's military, possibly knowing there could be drones chasing after them. But driving that fast on a road used for previous attacks are bound to be mined by Ukraine to slow down or halt any more offensive from this direction. And as this vehicle was driving possibly 40 to 50 km per hour, it missed a clearly visible mine line up ahead. As Ukraine has just placed mine on the road, it was still enough for this armored vehicle to run it straight over, causing the vehicle to crash down off the road, destroying another armored vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.